What's digging? Got a Macbook here that's in for repair. So let's do what we always do and chuck it on the charge so we can see what's going on here, which is a whole lot of nothing. Let's sort it out then. For that, we're going to remove all the screws from there and disconnect all these dogs so we can get it outside of its housing. Going out the way for now, so we can have a bit of a swizz and see what's going on with it. It actually looks pretty tidy, nothing popping out straight away. I spoke way too soon. So let's chuck down a little bit of flux then. We'll then add a little bit of solder to the cap either end and cover up those plastic bits with some high temperature resistant tape. It's to protect the stuff that I don't want to melt. With that out the way, we can come in and smash this guy with a bit of heat, which will let us pull that guy right up. You've served your purpose, mate. But get yeeted. Left now is to harvest that dude there and put him over here. Again, come in with a bit of heat so we can remove that dude, chuck down a little bit of flux here, rinse and repeat. Looking pretty schmick. All those dogs plugged back in. We can chuck it on charge. We're now getting a draw. Fan spin. I mean, what a day's work, mate.